Possible area for classes. Back in that closet is the cooler control system. This part that protrudes into the storage area is the cooler. If we could knock out the walls of the cooler and have a little bit broader of an area. Yes, making a video. Here's the back entrance. And here's an area that we could turn into an office. Here is the freezer. Big walk-in freezer. With shelving. Big cooler. Here's the kitchen. It used to be a meat shop, cooking, well, cutting meat, butcher shop. And we could put a long table in here maybe, a standing table over here. Get rid of this. There's still a lot of things laying around on the floor. Apologize about that. The main things that we have left to construct are the hanging light fixtures. Will be Edison bulbs. We've already picked some out. They look quite nice. And the bar area, the back cabinetry and the bar area in the front here. All the plumbing is laid and run. Great big open windows should let in plenty of light once we take the cardboard down. These are the new doorways for the classrooms and the office area, as well as the new handicap accessible bathroom area. We just finished painting the ceiling of the back classroom area, as well as a very large window. We will put some plastic in the window to continue to let the light in without being a big distraction to our students studying back here. And there's plenty of room in this back area for 2 or 3 classrooms running simultaneously. This is Meraki Schools post-renovation. Here's our front entrance and our sign updating passerby on our hopeful opening date. Let's come in. The front entryway was redone. This is a standing desk, which you can also sit at. Front bar where we will serve people, as well as pastries and donuts. 2 tables here in the back, and a coffee wheel, which will help people to identify all the different flavors in the coffees that they are drinking. We have our aprons ordered. This is the back bar. This is the front bar area. We have a Dalacorte Evo 2 machine. Very nice coffee machine. A Max 2 grinder from Dalacorte as well. Excellent grinder. Some different things we have been experimenting with are Oreo coffees and Nutella flavored coffees, as well as caramel coffees. We will also be experimenting with pour-over coffee methods. This is the Chemex Automatic, which will allow us to brew Chemex pour-overs without being there for every step. We have our blender for producing smoothies and smoothie bowls, which are very new to this area. We have quite an assortment of teas from Jenny Teas in the United Kingdom. And we are using Sakona coffee from Sakona Coffee Roasters here in Arun of the Basque Country. We replaced this old kitchen here with a new handicap accessible bathroom. This is the office. What was once a walk-in freezer for meat is now a functional office. This is our back room where we have our classes. This is our main class activity table. Whiteboard. We replaced the back entrance, which used to be sort of a barn door, with a large window to let in some natural light. And we also got a custom decal installed in that window. We finally got the heating installed back here, which makes it quite a bit warmer for our students. And we have a shelving unit for all of our games and activities that we can do with our students. Fun English learning games as well as workbooks. And that is Meraki post renovations.